Hello, good morning, dear student of class 10 cbse. Today I am going to explain the chapter number 1, that is chemical reactions and equation. So in this chapter the main content are there are types of reactions. So there are actually 5 types of reactions. These 5 types of reactions are combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, and redox reaction. Redox reaction is the combination of reduction reaction and oxidation reaction. So I am going to tell you all these in detail. Okay, first of all we will go for the combination reaction. Combination reactions means when two or more reactant combine to form a single product, it is called combination reaction. You can take the screenshot of this also. Now the example 1 is when carbon it is given here. See carbon, and there is small G is there. Carbon solid S is there. Carbon is solid, and this is the state of the reactant and the product. So first of all understand what are the reactant. Reactants are the left hand side. This carbon is also reactant, and this also oxygen is also reactant. So while writing in the reaction, oxygen should be written as O2, because two atoms of oxygen combine to form the one molecule of oxygen. So the molecular form of oxygen should be written here. That means C plus O2. This is CO2. Means when two reactant, the left hand side there are two things which are called the reactant. Okay, so left hand side component are called the reactant. So this is reactant. Carbon is also reactant, and this oxygen is also reactant, and this reactant and reactant combine to form the product always. Okay, so here the product is only one as per the definition given above here. These two things combine to form the single product. This is called the combination reaction. So this is the example one of combination reaction. Similarly you can see other reactions also. Here CaO means calcium oxide. This is chuna. We also call this chun, calcium oxide. Okay, it is found in powder or in the form of the granules also. When the water H2O is water, when the water is added to the calcium oxide, so calcium hydroxide is formed, CaOH whole twice. This is the product, that is calcium hydroxide. So while writing the reaction, we should also keep in mind the state of the reactant and product. So this is CaO is solid, so we can write here in subscript S, small s. Okay, and this water is liquid, so L is there, and this arrow means the gives, which gives calcium hydroxide, chuna pani. Okay, chun pani, that is calcium hydroxide. This is the product. So two reactant again combine to form the single product. This is also an example of combination reaction. Similarly you can see here hydrogen gas, this G is gas, and chlorine gas, this is G gas, react to form the hydrochloric acid HCl. Okay, so this is also combination reaction, because the two product combine to form the single product. Two reactant combine to form the single product. This is also combination reaction. So it is written here also hydrogen, this is hydrogen, this is chlorine, HCl is hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is also formed in gaseous form. So similarly the last one is example for N2 is nitrogen combined with hydrogen to form the ammonia. These all three states are gas. So we have to write here, this nitrogen is gas, this is gas G, and this hydrogen is also in the form of gas G. So NH3 is also ammonia, a pungent smelling product. This is also, so these all are the example of the combination reactions. Okay, now we will see the decomposition reaction in our next content. Thank you all. Try to understand, write it several times to understand properly.